Paul Kelly here again from the Enable Head Nerd team, and in this video we're going to talk about on-premise domain user management. Despite in recent years the shift to cloud services, a large cohort of MSP's customers still use on-premise Active Directory, so it's important to be able to manage and maintain these user accounts from within your N-Central environment. N-Central has a feature that allows you to do just this. Anytime you install an agent onto an Active Directory domain controller, it allows you to bring all the user account information into your N-Central environment so you can manage those users. To access domain user management in N-Central, you're going to use the left-hand navigation, click on Actions and Domain User Management. From the service organization level, you will see a list of all the domains that are currently available within your N-Central environment. If you access this from the customer site level, you will only see domains that pertain to that customer or site. To load the users for a particular domain, simply select the name you want to action. Here you'll see a list of the Active Directory user accounts. From here, you can take several different actions. You can choose to unlock an account if it's locked, you can enable an account if the account has been disabled, or if the user is no longer with the organization, you can disable the account from here as well. You can also use the delete feature to remove old accounts that are no longer required by that organization. And importantly, as it's a common call driver on the help desk, you can reset passwords on end users' accounts from here as well, even prompting them to change password upon next logon and unlocking the account from here if they've locked themselves out as well. In larger domains where you might have a long list of users, you can also action the user accounts from within the interface itself. So I simply right click on a user account and I can choose delete the account from here, unlock, enable or disable account from here, or reset the password on the account from here as well. You'll also notice a number of different columns with filtering options available. So if you need to quickly find a user, for example, so find Paul for example, I can simply type in Paul into the filter and quickly access the user from here as well. Alternatively, we can choose to see additional information on user accounts as well. So if we simply just want to find what users are part of a particular group within Active Directory, I can look and search for groups here. I can also see the account status from here, whether it's currently enabled or disabled, and I can use this option again to filter. So if I want to just find locked out accounts or disabled accounts, I can do so from here also. You can also see the password status here, whether it expires or when it was last reset, and very importantly here as well, you can see the last login status. So you can actually filter on last login date to find older accounts, maybe that are no longer active within that organization, maybe initially disable those accounts and then delete the accounts when you confirm with the end user that they are no longer required as well. You also have the ability to customize this view as well. So if there's information displayed here that's not relevant to you, or if there's additional information like account expiry date, profile path or home directory, you can choose to include those within your view as well. Security obviously is very important when it comes to user management, and all the actions that are carried out by a technician within domain user management are logged within the audit trail. Here we can filter on date, we can filter on user, the domain, the action and the details that were carried out by each user as well. So all actions that are carried out can be tracked and logged within the audit trail as well. So guys, that's just a brief overview of some of the features and functionality of domain user management in N-Central. Hope you found this video useful and we'll see you on the next one.